Right, so today we using a new bit of kit today, so you'll have to excuse us if we
Budget,
yeah, a little bit. So we're doing spring rolls anyway. So yeah,
basically.
yeah. So what we've got is I'm using pork, well chopped up fine. I mean, I suppose in an ideal world you could use pork and chicken, but I've just got pork. So then I've got half a medium onion, obviously my bean sprouts, and then in here I've got salt, pepper, MSG,
Five
five spice. But we'll rattle the ingredients down anyway.
Yeah, we've got bean sprouts,
Yeah, I've said that.
water.
Oh yeah, water. 60
And
ml of
wine.
water. We're gonna have a dash
Splash
of
of
wine.
wine.
Yeah, forgot about that. There we go. Right then. So
Okay.
yeah, let's do it then. So what's warm or relatively warm anyway? So don't want to go bananas with the heat really and truly. Just want to cook this through. Suppose it's hot enough. Put the onions in. I should learn to do it that way. Maybe you should stand the other side of me, you know. But whatever. Just to work with it, try and do it. Go on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, look at us, not getting all flashy. So they're going to go with
Look at my aerial shot I can do with my new extended pole.
We did have it facing both of us at the same time, but then we
We're
just
still
messed it all
learning
up.
how it all works, so hopefully, hopefully the quality is better,
Yeah.
and the quality of us doing it will get better.
So, anyway, so the pork and the onions have gone in. I'll just turn it down a little bit. And then for this point, I want to just go straight over the top with the bean sprouts, put it in the oven, mark it, there we go.
Nice bright white.
Get them spread out, nice. And then obviously with the salt, pepper, etc., spread all that on. Nice. Suppose I'll get it a bit hotter. Get it a bit hotter under there. So I've just shut the wind. The wind gets us up here, don't you, through the patio and everything.
Yeah.
Right. So at this point, give it a splash of wine. Oh yeah, soy sauce. Splash of wine. And then I want soy sauce. Should be light soy sauce, but I ain't got none, so dark soy sauce is going to do. Dark soy sauce. Obviously, it'll just change the colour a little bit, but you know, at the end of the day, it's going inside it, so it will be right. Plenty of soy sauce in there. You tip in the water. Wash all that in. And then now basically just want to fry that for a minute or two. So I suppose we'll leave that going and come back to you shortly. Mix it around. Jodie's just playing, she just wants to get a good shot over a shot. She thinks she's like BBC or something now, isn't
Like the equivalent of David Attenborough or something.
Yeah.
Bit of food.
Yeah, we're just going to leave that fry for another little minute or two. That was a pointless, needless comeback. She just wants to like
It was
test
just
the
my
camera.
own glory.
Excuse me. Right, so basically this is looking good now, you know. It's been frying for a little minute. Obviously there's a bit of juice in the pan, look if you can see. One of your aerial shots, Jodie. So what I'm going to do is, obviously you don't really want loads of moisture in your spring rolls, so what I'm going to do is to just put a little bit of corn flour in there. That'll thicken the sauce up, make it cling to everything and make it even nicer to taste, yeah? So I'm just going to go in with a bit of corn flour. That should thicken it up. Got more if I need. See what I mean? Straight away, look, it goes thick. Just toss it basically through. Coat everything in it. And then what is important then, to let the mixture cool down. To let this mixture cool down before we use it. So that should be good enough now. Look, it's kind of all the moisture's gone. Look, do you see what I mean? All the moisture's gone now. So obviously all that nice flavour's coated over the bean sprouts, etc. Oh, there's a little bit left, look. Give it a touch more, just because. Nothing serious. Just get rid of it. And just get rid of that moisture for you. You know what I mean? Yep, right, sound. I'm going to turn this off now, leave it to stand on there and let it cool down, basically. Okay, see you in a bit, guys.
Bye.
Right, so this is the second half of the video. I don't know if we're going to get to be able to merge in, whether Joe will pull it off in time or not. I'm not sure. but I'm actually making the spring rolls now. I showed you earlier how to make the filling. So we just put that there like that, diagonal, one sheet of page tray, and then obviously we just want to fold it nice and tight. Show that streaming outside. Fold in the corners, the
When you get
edges.
to halfway, fold the corners in.
Yeah, or whatever. And just wrap it all up. When we get to the end, you can just use a bit of corn flour, thick corn flour, bit of the thick stuff. Just stick it down, just rub it on there, and just stick it down. There we go. So then obviously we want to repeat process. Get a bit of filling. It's dead easy to do. You know, they're going to be lovely. I mean, the filling does taste lovely with that mix, so it's well worth watching the first video if you haven't seen it.
Yeah.
Obviously, we'll do our best to link them together, but we've got new equipment, so do you know what I mean? So just is what it is.
These things happen. We're testing it out.
It is what it is. It's a shame it happened on this recipe though, because I should imagine it might be quite popular. But just literally make up your little parcel, roll them nice and tight. Again with the corn flour, get some on your finger, like you know the thick stuff at the bottom, because it sets down. If you just make up a bit, and it sets like glue at the bottom. Just get some of that on there, just rub it on, and that'll stick it down. And then put back in a minute to deep fry them. So we've got a deep fryer on the balcony, look. So I'm just going to put them in. See how the best we're going to fit. See if we can get them all in together. Probably not. Probably have to do 2 batches.
About 5 minutes or until the golden.
Yep. So like the idea is, I think, in the go, but then try and sink them down.
Make sure they get you done.
Yeah. I'll do that.
Come back to you in a
Get
sec.
another one.
Wait a sec.
Right, let's have a see what they're like. I've just got them out, so they are hot. Crunchy.
Oh look, delightful.
Spring rolls. Maybe a touch less in the chip pan just to make them not so crunchy, but yeah, nice.
There we go. Spring rolls. Sorry it's 2 videos. We're going to do what we can to get them together. Again, we're learning.
See you in a bit.
Okay, see you later people.
Bye guys.